intense philosophical debate about the nature of truth itself. Some argue that AI's ability to process information objectively and dispassionately makes it an ideal candidate for uncovering truth. Unlike humans, who are prone to biases, emotions, and cognitive limitations, AI systems can analyze data without prejudice, potentially leading to more accurate and reliable conclusions. Moreover, AI's capacity to handle vast amounts of data, far exceeding human comprehension, suggests that it could potentially identify patterns and connections that would otherwise remain hidden from our view. This raises the tantalizing possibility that AI could uncover truths that have eluded human understanding for centuries. However, others caution against placing too much faith in AI's ability to discern truth. They argue that AI's reliance on data limits its understanding to the information it has been trained on, potentially leading to biased or incomplete conclusions. Furthermore, AI's lack of consciousness and subjective experience raises questions about its ability to grasp the nuances of human concepts, like truth, meaning, and purpose. The philosophical implications of AI's search for truth are profound and far-reaching. As AI systems become increasingly integrated into our lives, it is crucial to grapple with the ethical and epistemological challenges they pose. Comparing how AI and humans understand truth reveals fundamental differences in their approaches. Humans employ a combination of reason, intuition, and experience to form their understanding of the world. We rely on logic and critical thinking to evaluate evidence and construct arguments, but we also draw upon our emotions, beliefs, and personal experiences to shape our perspectives. Human understanding of truth is often subjective and context-dependent. What one person considers true may differ from another's perspective, influenced by factors such as cultural background, personal values, and life experiences. This subjectivity is not necessarily a weakness. It allows for diverse interpretations and fosters creativity and innovation. In contrast, AI's understanding of truth is based on its analysis of data. It seeks patterns, correlations, and statistical probabilities to arrive at conclusions. This data-driven approach is objective and consistent, but it lacks the flexibility and nuance of human understanding. AI may struggle to grasp the subtleties of human language, emotions, or the complexities of social interactions. The differences between human and AI conceptions of truth highlight the limitations of both approaches. While AI can provide valuable insights and expand our understanding of the world, it cannot replace the unique perspective and depth of human experience. Similarly, while human understanding is rich and multifaceted, it can be prone to biases and inconsistencies.